to my scrappy life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop where I am going to be using Glamping 2 for my cut file. Before I get started, what I am also doing is that I'm pairing this up with the Papercrafters YouTube monthly hop, and the theme for this month is called it's called Travel Out and About. So obviously I've been working this summer. I've been trying to work on some of my camping, like photos and all of that kind of stuff. So I went and backed and got out Call of the Wild from Echo Park. And then I do have the Great Outdoors photo play, like a couple of the pages, some stickers from there. So I've got kind of like a combination of two, and they match, the colors match. So that's why I put these together so I could be able to use up all of the collection. Now, this is a very woodsy, darky, that's not even a word, a dark collection, and I absolutely love it because the photos that I have are all of the greens and the browns and all that, so it works perfect. So off camera, before I started, I did back the cut file up with certain papers, and then I glued the photo down, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this piece back here, and so that the photo, it's got some covering and all of that fun stuff, because this is like a glamping. I did take out, the only thing that I changed on this is that this piece right here where the photo is at, there is a bed that she put there, so you could use the bed. I wanted my photo in the tent, or you know, the glamping tent that they have. So with that being said, I am also going to pull in Frolic along and Twigs and Twine from Spiegelmom Scraps. These colors match really well to this collection. If you put it up against like this set here, those colors work really well together. And the peach is just an offset to add like that girly touch that I thought. So let's see what I can do with this layout. All right, so like I said, is that this is going to be like two parts. So like I said, the first time around, or the first part of this, is that it is going to be the cut file that's up above that I am showing there. And what I am going to do is that I am going to connect it with the Papercrafters YouTube hop, and where I am going to do like that picture of my daughter, that when we're out camping and all of that fun stuff. So what I am doing here is that I wanted it to look like kind of like a 3D factor. So I did not put the bottom part of this. You are seeing me put this down because I wanted to put some dimensionals so that there's a little bit of dimension in between things. So it kind of looks like the back part of it is the, you know, like the back part of the tent and not really flat. So that's how I was able to do it that way. And then I wanted to have this base. And this base is the section that you see here where I'm just placing it down. I kind of like just having this tent sitting on something instead of just it kind of being in the background. So I use that as my base portion of this to place this down. And then I just place it all down. And then the rest of it's going to be glued down. And I take off the background. But before I do that, I wanted to have a glow behind the tent, and so I picked out Mowed Lawn because that's the brighter green that I have, but yet still that nostalgic, you know, area of adding that behavior, or the behaviors. I can tell that I'm back in school, to have the shadows show up. So now I am taking all of the backing of my dimensionals and laying them down, and then the little tent pieces to it, the poles, I just glued them down. So I happened to find on the photo play section of this collection that I put together, because most of it is the Echo Park, but I do, like I said, I had a couple of the photo play, and I found some trees. So I placed the trees there and I moved it. And this guy right here is another banner that I'm adding. I just really like. So I put Outdoors Explore, and that doesn't sound right. So on camera, you will see me literally put down Outdoor Explore, and then I stare at it and I'm like, this isn't right. It should be Explore Outdoors. So off camera, I do swap it because I don't like how that sounds at all. I don't know why I thought outdoors needed to go first and not explore. Make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below. Also, go ahead and check out Virginia's website and her Etsy shop. She uploads all the time, every month, for her new cut files, and this is one of her new ones. She does have another glamping tent that you can purchase as well as this one. I'm gonna go dig into my selection because I'm pretty sure I probably have the first one, and I'm probably going to be using that on a layout as well because I have tons of camping photos that we take. And this year we've got something really cool. I'm kind of excited to see what it'll look like and be able to go in February, so I'm excited for that. Oops, sorry about my head. And I'm just placing down these little things. I like the camper. I like the guitar, the suit, or the sleeping bag. I like that I placed the acorns on top, or like the pine cones, I should not say, on top. I love that. And then I do come in with the two Spiegel Mom Scraps collections. They are from the Twigs and Twine is still available, and then Frolic along was one of June's sequence mix, and then Twigs and Twine is still available in the shop as well. And then also remember that if you place an order through them, use Miranda 15 to get 15% off. And that'll be all linked down below as well. So here I am. I'm just placing all of the sequence mix. I'm adding a bit onto the glamping tent, and then I just place the clusters in certain spots, as you can see. And then I do round out with white splatters. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I'm on my way to 4,000 subscribers, and I would love for you to be part of my YouTube family. When I hit 4,000 subscribers, it'll be my next big giveaway, and I'm excited to give away some product or money, depending on what I decide to do. Pretty much the rest of this is just me adding the different pieces. I just wanted different collection or different color tones to all of this just to add around this bottom, and I really love how this turned out. It's something that I feel is amazing. And then I come in with my white splatters, and then that is it. Still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.